Hi, I'm Robert, and welcome to Boneyard Revivals. Here on Boneyard Revivals, we're all about rescuing and saving old junk cars, just like this one. Our goal here on Boneyard Revivals is to entertain and maybe even teach you something. And I myself are still learning as well, and I'm really hoping to be able to take you all on that journey with me. So I hope you'll consider subscribing. Maybe like this video to show some love and support. You don't have to. I'm just asking. Please. But without any further ado, welcome to Boneyard Revivals. Let's have a good time. All right.